Is Disney Plus not working on your LG Smart TV? Don't worry. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step fixes so you can get back to watching your favorite shows without any frustration. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your LG Smart TV is properly connected to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings Arrow Network, Arrow Wi-Fi connection, and check if the signal is strong. A weak connection can stop Disney Plus from loading. Step 2. Update Disney Plus app. Next, update the Disney Plus app. Go to the LG Content Store, search for Disney Plus, and hit Update. An outdated app version often causes loading or streaming errors. Step 3. Update LG TV software. Now, update your LG Smart TV software. Open Settings, All Settings, Support. Software Update. Check for updates. Keeping your TV software updated ensures smooth app performance. Step 4. Clear cache or reinstall the app. If the issue continues, clear the Disney Plus app cache or reinstall it. Delete the app, restart your TV, and reinstall Disney Plus from the LG Content Store. Step 5. Restart or factory reset. Finally, try restarting your LG TV by unplugging it for 1 minute and plugging it back in. If nothing works, perform a factory reset under Settings Arrow. All Settings Arrow. General Arrow Reset to initial settings. And that's it. By following these steps, your Disney Plus app should be working smoothly on your LG Smart TV. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with anyone facing the same issue.